Hi everyone, welcome to Bytes. From now on, every week you will be receiving interesting updates happening in Indian markets and global economy. Also, I'll be posting some interesting corporate filings and reports which adds value to your research. Let's start today's video by checking weekly performance of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty rallied by 406 points, making a week's low of 15,203 and week's high of 15,749. Coming to Bank Nifty, it rallied by 884 points, making a week's low of 32,426 and week's high of 33,721. In between, markets were trading volatile. Recently, Citigroup has come up with a report stating that the probability of witnessing a global recession is 50%. The reason for this are Russia-Ukraine war, supply chain disruptions, and increasing inflation rates across the globe. When inflation increases, federal banks will try to increase the interest rates. When they increase interest rates, industries that are raising the money through debt will decrease their spending. Due to this, economic growth will decrease. Due to a decrease in economic growth, there are 50% chances that we enter into a global recession, says Citigroup. If a recession does occur, this would be a garden variety where unemployment will rise greatly and we would experience a couple of weak quarters. We all know that the world is moving towards the EV. A new update in this sector is that we will be witnessing solar-powered electric vehicles very soon in global markets. Solar-powered EV car was unveiled in the year 2019 by Lightyear. Now they are planning for the production. Some of the key highlights of these cars are they can cover a distance of 625 kilometers with a single charge, out of which 70 km of the range is obtained by solar power alone. Also, another highlight is if a person commutes only 35 km per day, he can use the car with solar power for up to 7 months without a single charge. Even countries without abundant sunshine can run the car for 2 months without a single charge. The company is claiming that per year we can run up to 11,000 km using solar power, which means we need not pay a single penny to charge the car up to 11,000 km per year. This could be the next EV revolution, benefiting not only the car industry but also industries involved in the solar business value chain. Indian Oil Corporation and a hydrogen fuel-based startup AHODS Technologies have signed a memorandum of agreement. With this MOA, AHODS will be commercializing their patented hydrogen technology and IOC will be funding the same. Tata Chemicals opens industrial scale carbon capture and usage plant in UK. In this plant, 40,000 tons of CO2 emissions from its power generation will be used to produce baking soda. Tata Chemical Europe has invested £20 million and baking soda produced in this plant will be exported to 60 different countries under the brand name EcoCarb. There was negative news circulating regarding Biocon. Any drugs before entering the market need to undergo various levels of clinical trials. Only upon successful clinical trials and regulatory approvals, the drug is allowed for a market release. The allegation here was Joint Drugs Controller S. Ishwara Reddy received a 4 lakh bribe out of 9 lakhs from Dinesh Dua to waive off third phase clinical trials of insulin aspart injection, an under development product of Biocon Biologics used for diabetics. Regarding this issue, Executive Chairperson of Biocon, Kiran Mazumdar-Shah, tweeted they are completely denying the allegations on this issue and mentioned that all their products have regulatory approvals. Also, she mentioned that insulin aspart injection already has approvals from Europe and many other countries. India's regulatory process will happen online and complete minutes of the meeting will be available to the public domain. So we have to wait and watch how the situation turns out for Biocon. Next, we have an update on Birla-Soft. Birla-Soft has entered into a partnership with Google Cloud to enable a digital transformation journey among its existing clients. With this, they will be helping their clients under various verticals to meet their cloud requirements. Hero MotoCorp will be increasing their motorcycles and scooters cost up to Rs 3,000 based on various models. The reason for this is due to an increase in commodity prices. This will be a positive news as it might increase their revenues. Suven Life Sciences is planning to raise funds of around 400 crores using rights issue. The record date and rights issue ratio is not yet confirmed. Savita Oil Board approves a stock split. The stock face value of Rs 10 will be split into face value of Rs 2, meaning people who are holding one share of Savita Oil on a record date will receive 5 shares after the split. Matrimony.com has announced a buyback worth Rs 750 million. The buyback price is set to Rs 1,150 and will be buying 6,52,173 shares. The record date is fixed on 4th July. So people who are holding the shares in their demat account on 4th July will be eligible to participate in this buyback. Route Mobile Board is meeting on June 28 and will be considering the buyback of shares. We should check through what route they are going to do buyback and at what price. We will keep you guys updated through Shorts or Instagram. So do follow us in Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions related to personal finance or markets, comment below or drop a message through Instagram or Facebook. Like and share this video with your friends and family members so that this information can reach as many investors as possible. Thank you. Have a great weekend. Bye.